Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna make one of the easiest pizzas one can ever make at home. So without wasting any more time, let's get on straight to the recipe. So the first step is the preparation of the dough. For that we need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and 5 tablespoons of yogurt. So now let's start the process by making the dough. For that we have to combine all these ingredients together and give it a good mix. Mix the ingredients thoroughly and knead the dough well until it reaches a consistency where it's nice and soft like this. I'm gonna make 2 pizzas, so I'm gonna divide this into 2 halves and then I'm gonna roll this dough. So now we have to make sure that the surface or the board we use is well floured so that the dough doesn't stick. So let's start rolling the dough. So now we have to make sure that the dough doesn't get too thin and the thickness should be approximately around 1 centimeter or something like that. So this is the trick I use in order to get a perfect shape for the pizza base. Now let's move over to the stove and grease the pan with 1 tablespoon of oil and allow the pan to get really hot. So yeah, now we can transfer our first pizza to the pan on a medium flame. Now let's cook one side for about 2 minutes on a medium flame until the crust below gets a golden color. Now we are going to flip it as the crust is turned golden. Now I'm going to spread some pizza sauce evenly on the top of it. You can use tomato sauce as well. And now it's time for toppings, and I'm gonna add a generous amount of cheese on it and then some capsicums and olives. Now I'm gonna close the pan and cook it for another 2 minutes, allowing the cheese to melt completely. Now it's 2 minutes and let's check if it is ready, and yeah, our yummy pizza is ready. So this is the most yummiest and easiest of pizzas you can ever make at home. So I hope everyone tries it, and until I see you with another video, bye bye.